Hello friends, I am Lini Hajinsu. Welcome to my channel that is all about enhancing what you have. Today I'm going to review 썸바이미 Super Matcha Pore Care Starter Kit. I bought this kit because Sehun is endorsing it. Also, a subscriber requested a review of it, so here we are. This kit comes in a beautiful green reflective packaging that represents its main ingredients, matcha. It has both English and Korean instructions that are helpful for us international customers. It claims to be the ideal skin routine for pore tightening, enriched with matcha water, natural BHA from white willow bark, and glacier water to rid skin of blackheads and refine texture. So this is me before using the kit. I have dry and sensitive skin. I have aging concerns with enlarged pores, blackheads, blemishes, and some pigmentation. Let's see how this kit will perform on my skin. So the first step in this kit is Super Matcha Pore Clean Cleansing Gel. It comes in a green plastic tube. I love its reflective packaging. It claims to remove buildups in pores with micellar particles. Matcha water improves skin's elasticity. BHA works on blackheads and pores. Calamine, green tea, tea tree powder, and konjac granules smooth skin texture by gentle scrubbing. This cleanser has a faint green tea smell. The cleanser itself is a little bit watery or thin in texture but thick like gel. It has a very light green color to it. It also includes little konjac and 3 other powder granules. To use the cleansing gel, we are supposed to lather up a proper amount and gently massage over the face. I have taken a proper amount of the cleanser and it is lathering up well. I can feel those little grains on my skin scrubbing the skin. Now, personally, I am against physical exfoliators because my skin is very sensitive, but I'm reviewing it for you guys only. The granules are not hurting my skin or anything. So far, it is bearable. After washing my face, my skin feels normal. Thankfully, it doesn't feel tight or itchy. It hasn't irritated my skin though. It looks squeaky clean on the camera. The cleanser is a good cleanser, I must say, and I didn't have any issues with it in these 15 days, but I don't prefer the granules in it. Next, Super Matcha Pore Clean Clay Mask also comes in a tube form. I love this kit's green color as it gives Yivo vibes. Green is his favorite color. It claims to absorb impurities and unclogs pores while offering moisture and soothing care to the skin. It includes matcha water, BHA, clay, sparkling water, Centella asiatica, and tea tree. The clay mask is like a moisturizer. It has light texture as compared to other clay masks. It is easy to spread and has a faint smell of matcha like its cleanser. It doesn't pull the skin at all while I spread it on the skin. There are little grains in it which makes it a physical and chemical exfoliator both, just like its cleanser. To use it, we need to apply a proper amount evenly to the dry face, avoiding eye and lips areas. I have dry skin, very dry skin, so I will only apply it on my butterfly zone as it is my first time. It feels really cold on the skin, and even though it is thick, it still is very easy to spread on the skin because of its creamy texture. As I apply the mask to my face, it starts to feel a little warm on my face. Okay, let me give you a spoiler. I love this clay mask because over these 15 days, whenever my skin had little pimples or felt irritated, I used to apply this and it calmed my skin every time. Look at its little grains. So here I am after 15 minutes. It feels a little bit tight. I did felt a little bit tingling sensation here, but nothing else. It's quite comfortable, but it's tight now while I'm talking. I feel that it's tight. If I'm not talking, I don't feel that it's tight. Now, I have taken some water in my hands and I'm trying to slowly dissolve this mask. The little granules feel a little harsh on my skin as I'm trying to dissolve it. After this day, I used to remove this dried clay mask from my face without rubbing it or dissolving it for the next 15 days. After washing, my skin feels soft, bright, clean, and my pores seem smaller in appearance after the clay mask. Isn't it? I hope their toner is hydrating because my skin needs moisture right now. The next step in this kit is Super Matcha Pore Tightening Toner. It comes in a transparent green plastic bottle. It claims to absorb excess sebum and effectively control sebum production with sebum controlling powder. It also includes matcha water, BHA, sparkling glacier water, and some calming agents like tea tree and Centella asiatica. It has a very faint green tea smell that isn't overpowering. This toner is exactly like water in texture. It absorbs in the skin within a minute. This toner is so watery that it always runs down from my hands as I pour it on my palm. It also has gone in my eyes a few times when I wasn't careful, and it did hurt really bad, so be careful. The toner itself is so drying that now I'm applying a third layer of it on my face. I think this kit would be amazing for oily skin people or only on oily areas because the drier parts of the face stink sometimes and isn't moisturizing at all. So step 4 in this kit is Super Matcha Pore Tightening Serum. It comes in a green plastic dropper bottle. It claims to soothe, moisturize, and help improve elasticity, leaving a smooth and baby-like complexion. It includes matcha water, patented agents for sebum care, BHA, PHA, hyaluronic acid, and Centella asiatica as its main ingredients. This serum is transparent to light green in color. It is quite watery in texture, not as watery as their toner though. It is a little bit thick but still very lightweight and liquidy. It also has a faint smell of green tea, which is their signature scent, but I think this serum is my life's most thin textured serum ever, I'm sure. It is so watery that it absorbs in the skin within a second. This entire kit does not make the skin sticky at all. This kit is so lightweight that I will be needing something very hydrating after these 4 steps because my skin feels dry like a desert and I have never felt like this after a serum. My skin looks very normal after this kit. I still feel dry and I did apply very heavy products after this every night because this kit was so drying on my face that if I did not apply all those heavy products, I think my skin barrier would have been compromised. So I just woke up and I thought that I should do a check-in. So while I was looking into the mirror and I saw that my skin looked soft and supple as compared to before. About my blackheads, what I noticed is that, first of all, let me tell you, I did not take anything, any treatment or anything for my blackheads for around 2 months before I used this kit because a subscriber wanted an honest review and I wanted to be honest. And if you look at it, some of my blackheads are still there. So let's see how will this kit perform. Other than that, my skin feels really supple, soft. I won't say that it's hydrated because after I was done with this kit, I used another serum and a very heavy cream even in this June's hot weather. First of all, because my skin is very dry. Secondly, because this kit itself felt drying to me. I don't know why. At least that is my first impression. I don't know what will happen in the future. So I think as far as now, for now, if you have dry skin type, then you will be requiring a very good skincare routine, a heavy one, after you're done with this kit because this kit alone, if you have dry skin or dehydrated skin, it is going to dry your skin. So make sure that your routine is really good. So I will just update in coming days, but for now I think my skin looks beautiful. I have changed nothing in my routine. I've just added this kit in my routine. So let's see what type of differences will this kit make. Bye-bye. So this is me after 15 days of using 썸바이미 Super Matcha Pore Kit. First of all, let me tell you that I have tanned a lot because I am 24/7 under the sun for the last 1 week. So I'm not going to rate this kit in terms of brightening. Secondly, I would say that my skin is soft, supple, and my skin texture has improved as compared to before. Now, if we talk about my pigmentation and blemishes, then I think it does look a little bit light, but not a drastic change, isn't it? It can be because of the sun too. So let's give it the benefit of doubt. Also, my pores have shrunk in size as compared to before. And I'm really happy with this. The only thing that I'm disappointed in is the blackheads. My blackheads have not improved in these 15 days, and I was expecting it to reduce a lot. So overall, I will give this kit a 3 by 5. I really love the clay mask as it was very calming on my sensitive areas, and after the clay mask, I also like the toner as my pores always look better after this step. So if anyone wants to buy this kit, then tell them to watch this video first because there is not a single video on YouTube talking about this kit properly. As a 썸바이미 kit, I am disappointed in this kit, but I did buy their propolis toner and serum recently, so you will see me reviewing that soon. If you have any questions, then feel free to ask. I'm here to help, okay? Also, if you are into ASMR, then I will be linking a video down below of this kit that I did in ASMR. Okay, bye bye.